tablets have become an integral part of our daily lives, offering a versatile and portable solution for work, entertainment, and creativity. In the ever-growing market, two prominent contenders, the Honor Pad X9 and Xiaomi Pad 6, stand out with their unique features and capabilities. In this comparison video, we'll dive into the specifications, design, and performance of both tablets to help you make an informed decision. Design and build. The Honor Pad X and 9 impresses with a sleek and contemporary design, showcasing dimensions of 267.3 x 167.4 x 6.9 mm and a weight ranging from 495 g to 499 g, depending on the variant. Crafted with precision, the tablet features a glass front, aluminum frame, and aluminum back, exuding a premium feel. The combination of glass and aluminum not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures durability. The minimalist design language is complemented by the tablet's thin profile, making it easy to handle and carry. The space gray color option adds a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Pad 6. Similarly, the Xiaomi Pad 6 follows a path of elegance and durability. With dimensions measuring 254 x 165.2 x 6.5 mm and weighing 490 g, the tablet strikes a balance between portability and screen real estate. The glass front, protected by Gorilla Glass 3, aluminum frame, and aluminum back, contribute to the tablet's robust build quality. The tablet also supports stylus input, making it a versatile option for users who seek precision in their creative endeavors. Xiaomi Pad 6 is available in black, blue, and gold color options, providing users with a variety of choices to suit their preferences. Both tablets share the use of aluminum in their frames and backs, ensuring a sturdy and premium build. The glass fronts not only provide a smooth touch interface, but also contribute to the tablet's overall aesthetic appeal. The attention to detail in the design of both tablets is evident, offering a seamless and immersive experience for users. While both tablets share similarities in materials used, the Honor Pad X9 tends to be slightly larger and lighter than the Xiaomi Pad 6. The color options also differ, with the Honor Pad X9 offering a single space gray option and Xiaomi Pad 6 providing users with more diverse choices. Display. The Honor Pad X9 boasts an 11.5-inch TFT LCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate contributes to smoother animations and an overall more responsive feel, making it particularly appealing for users who engage in gaming or consume multimedia content frequently. With a resolution of 1200 x 2000 pixels and a 5:3 aspect ratio, the display on the Honor Pad X9 delivers a crisp visual experience. The TFT LCD technology ensures vibrant colors and good viewing angles, though it may not reach the same level of contrast and deep blacks as some other display technologies. In contrast, the Xiaomi Pad 6 sports an 11.0-inch IPS LCD display with an even higher 144 Hz refresh rate. The inclusion of IPS technology enhances color reproduction and provides wider viewing angles. With a resolution of 1800 x 2880 pixels and a 16:10 aspect ratio, the Xiaomi Pad 6 offers a higher pixel density compared to the Honor Pad X9. Furthermore, Xiaomi Pad 6 supports additional features such as HDR10 and Dolby Vision, ensuring a more dynamic and visually immersive experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, adding a layer of durability to the screen. The key differentiators in the display department include the higher refresh rate on the Xiaomi Pad 6, which can be beneficial for smoother interactions, especially in gaming scenarios. Additionally, the HDR10 and Dolby Vision support on the Xiaomi Pad 6 contributes to a more vibrant and detailed visual experience, making it particularly appealing for users who prioritize high-quality multimedia consumption. Performance. The Honor Pad X9 is equipped with the Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 685 6nm chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with a configuration of 4x2, 8 GHz Cortex-A73 and 4x1, 9 GHz Cortex-A53. The graphics are handled by the Adreno 610 GPU. The tablet comes with a standard memory configuration of 128 GB internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, providing ample space for apps, media, and multitasking. The combination of a mid-range processor and sufficient RAM makes the Honor Pad X9 capable of handling everyday tasks smoothly, including web browsing, video streaming, and productivity applications. The Xiaomi Pad 6 steps up its game with the Qualcomm SM8250 AC Snapdragon 875G 7nm chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with a more powerful configuration of 1x3.2 GHz Cryo 585, 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 585, and 4x 1.80 GHz Cryo 585. The graphics processing is handled by the Adreno 650 GPU, known for its superior performance. Xiaomi Pad 6 offers multiple memory configurations, including 128 GB internal storage with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and a higher-tier option with 256 GB internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. This flexibility caters to users with varying storage and performance needs, providing a more powerful and versatile platform for demanding tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Camera. The Honor Pad X9 comes with modest camera capabilities. It features a single 5MP rear camera with an f2, 2-aperture and autofocus, AF. While it may not compete with flagship smartphones in terms of photography, it can still capture basic images with decent clarity. The front-facing camera is also 5MP with an f2, 2-aperture, suitable for video calls and occasional selfies. Xiaomi Pad 6, on the other hand, offers a slightly more sophisticated camera setup. It features a 13MP single rear camera with an f2, 2-aperture and phase detection autofocus, PDAF. This camera configuration is more capable of capturing detailed photos, and the inclusion of PDAF enhances focusing speed. The front-facing camera on the Xiaomi Pad 6 is an 8MP sensor with an f2, 2-aperture, providing users with a better option for selfies and video calls. While both tablets offer single-lens camera setups, the higher resolution and PDAF on the Xiaomi Pad 6's rear camera suggest potentially better performance, especially in terms of focus and detail. The 8MP front camera on the Xiaomi Pad 6 also outperforms the 5MP front camera on the Honor Pad X9, providing users with improved selfie quality. Both tablets lack advanced camera features commonly found in smartphones, such as multiple lenses or advanced imaging technologies. Tablet cameras, in general, are designed for convenience rather than professional photography. Battery. Battery life is crucial for a tablet, and both Honor Pad X9 and Xiaomi Pad 6 deliver impressive results. Honor Pad X9 is equipped with a 7,250 mAh non-removable battery, supporting 5W wired charging. Xiaomi Pad 6 features a larger 8,840 mAh non-removable battery, supporting faster 33W wired charging. Xiaomi Pad 6 takes the lead in battery capacity and charging speed, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent recharges. Both the Honor Pad X9 and Xiaomi Pad 6 offer compelling features, catering to different user preferences. The Honor Pad X9 stands out with its sleek design, high refresh rate display, and competitive pricing, making it an excellent choice for users on a budget. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Pad 6 excels in performance, display quality, and battery capacity, making it a top-tier option for users seeking a premium tablet experience. Your choice ultimately depends on your priorities, whether it be budget consciousness, multimedia consumption, or high-performance computing on a tablet. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.